Rice porridge, often referred to as congee or juke, is a staple dish in many cultures around the world. This simple yet nutritious meal has been consumed for centuries, not only for its comforting taste but also for its numerous health benefits. Here, we delve into the medical advantages of incorporating rice porridge into your diet. 1. Digestive health. One of the primary medical benefits of rice porridge is its ability to promote digestive health. Being a low-fiber food, rice porridge is gentle on the stomach, making it an excellent choice for those recovering from gastrointestinal issues such as diarrhea or gastritis. The soft texture is easy to digest, allowing the digestive system to rest while still providing essential nutrients. Furthermore, the warm porridge can help soothe the stomach lining, reducing discomfort and irritation. 2. Nutrient-rich rice porridge is often fortified with various ingredients, such as vegetables, lean meats, or fish, enhancing its nutritional profile. It serves as a source of carbohydrates, providing energy needed for daily activities. Additionally, when made with whole grain rice, it offers more vitamins and minerals, including B vitamins, iron, and magnesium, which are essential for overall health. 3. Hydration. Another significant advantage of rice porridge is its high water content. This makes it an excellent option for maintaining hydration, especially for individuals who may struggle to consume adequate fluids. Staying hydrated is vital for various bodily functions, including temperature regulation, joint lubrication, and nutrient transportation. 4. Weight management. Incorporating rice porridge into your diet can support weight management efforts. Its low-calorie density allows individuals to consume a satisfying portion without taking in excessive calories. When paired with nutrient-dense toppings, such as vegetables or lean protein, rice porridge can create a balanced meal that keeps hunger at bay while providing essential nutrients. 5. Comfort food for the sick. Rice porridge is often recommended for those feeling unwell. Its comforting nature and ease of preparation make it a popular choice for individuals recovering from illness. The warm, easy-to-swallow dish can help nourish the body while providing a sense of comfort, which is especially important when someone is feeling under the weather. 6. Versatile meal base. The versatility of rice porridge is another reason for its popularity. It can be customized with various ingredients, such as herbs, spices, and proteins, catering to individual dietary needs and preferences. This adaptability allows for the inclusion of anti-inflammatory or immune-boosting ingredients, such as ginger, garlic, or leafy greens, further enhancing its health benefits. 7. Potential blood sugar regulation. Rice porridge, particularly when made with whole grains, may help in blood sugar regulation. The gradual release of carbohydrates provides a steady source of energy without causing rapid spikes in blood sugar levels. This can be particularly beneficial for individuals with diabetes or those looking to maintain stable energy levels throughout the day. Conclusion. In conclusion, rice porridge is more than just a comforting dish. It offers a variety of medical benefits that support digestive health, hydration, weight management, and overall well-being. Its versatility makes it an excellent addition to any diet, allowing for numerous variations that cater to individual tastes and nutritional needs. Whether enjoyed as a breakfast option or a soothing meal for the sick, rice porridge holds a special place in the culinary world for its nourishing qualities.